This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, students, today's topic is slideshow, right here, and here is setup slideshow. Can you see this setup slideshow?
Yes.
Okay, so if you click on this setup slideshow, you can see a small window will open like this, right? What I want here actually, I want to keep my presentation in loop. Do you know loop? Students, do you know loop?
No, what means the loop?
Loop is something, students, repetition. Loop is called repetition. Yani for example, if you want to see your presentation, right? Normally, if you are not activating this loop, so look at here. From the beginning, if I click on the preview, so you will get a full screen like this, right? When you go to next slide, you can see here, it will open like this, right? This is the second slide, then the third slide will open here. This is the third one slide that I have here, and this is the fourth one slide. So at the end, when you reach to the end, this is the fifth slide. At the end, you will get a blank screen like this, right? Now what I want exactly, I want to put my presentation in loop. So when I open the full screen mode of my presentation, automatically system will go, and when you reach to the end, the last one slide, system will jump automatically to slide number 1, right? So if you come here, for example, I will click on this setup slideshow. You can see this loop continuously until escape. Can you see this loop continuously until escape?
Yes.
One is here. So if I check here,
Yes.
one check should be here, and here is slideshow. From which one slide to which one slide you want, right? All slides you want, or from, for example, all slide means from slide number 1 to 5. I have total 5 slides. So from 1 to 5, it will keep the loop. But if you want some slides, for example, I want from slide number 2 to slide number 4, yani 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, like this. I want, in that case, you have to click on slide from this to this. So you can adjust this. For example, slide number 2 to slide number 4, I want. So adjust it here. So it will show you only 3 slides, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, like this it will show you. But let us keep all. Let us keep all and then click on OK now, right? Now the next thing I want to do here is, if you click here on transitions, if you click on the transitions here and come here, here is actually here is the option available after how much time you want to change. And I want to keep my presentation in auto loop, automatic system. So I will check here. By default, here is mouse click, but I will check this after. I will remove this, and after 2 seconds, I will set the time. After 2 seconds, I want my presentation to be changed automatically, and each slide should be changed after 2 seconds. So I set the time 2 seconds. Now click here, apply to all. When you click on apply to all, come here and make a full screen view of this. Make a full screen view of this. If you come here, click on this from beginning. When you click on from beginning, so you can see automatically system will change this for you. After every 2 seconds, computer will change the slide, and when it reach the last slide, slide number 5, it will jump to slide number 1 automatically. Now you can see this is one slide. Can you see this now? Students, can you see this?
Yes.
Yes,
About
yes.
So this is how loop means you set a loop. When you set a loop, so automatically it will start from slide number 1, 2, 3, 4 till the last slide. When it reaches the last slide, automatically it will jump to slide number 1 again. So again and again it will repeat the same thing until and unless you press escape key from the keyboard. You can see escape key is at the left top of your keyboard. You can see the left side and ESR, and top of the first button is escape. ESC is written there. So when you click on this escape key, it will stop. When you click on escape key, it will stop like this. Now it is stopped. Otherwise, if you make a full screen, so it will start again the same practice. Is this clear or not? You want again? You want me to do it again? Okay, Sheikha says clear. Other students?
Clear, Mr.
Riyaz clear, mashallah, very good. Other students?
Clear, mister.
Great. So this is how students you can apply loops to your slides over here, right? And here is creating notes. So if you want, for example, to make notes, you have the options here as well. These are available. You can just click here and come here. You can see the notes here, right? Handouts, notes master is here. If you want to write the notes, so you can click here, notes page, and write any notes. For example, I will write here, this is FINT II class. But normally we don't need this, right? If you want to write something at the end of your slide, so you can write. If you go to the normal screen, come here, at the end of this, you can see this, it is written here. So you can write here, or if you like here, you can write here, in both the ways. Click on create notes, you can write here, or if you want to write here something, you can do this in both the ways, right? So this is how you can add some notes to your presentations or your slides as well. Preview, show preview is here. Usually we have preview over here. If you come to, but by default it will jump here. But if you want to see the preview, you can go to the normal screen, or but the easiest way is to press F5 key from the keyboard. If you want to press F5 key, so it will take you directly to the preview. Preview means full screen view. It will show you over here. Here in animations, you have also preview over here. If you click on this animation, so you can click preview from here, or if you want, you can press direct from the keyboard F5 key. Is that okay with you? This is the preview, students. If you click on this preview, so it will take you to the full screen. But better to press F5 key direct. When you press F5 key direct, so it will show you over here. I will share the screen again because the system is, yes. Now, for example, if you have a normal screen like this, so you can come here, press F5 key from the keyboard, so you will get a full screen like this. Is this clear to you, students? Clear or not?
Clear, Mr.
Okay.
For me, it
So,
is clear.
okay, students, great. So this is how you can do this. You can use looping, you can create preview if you want, for example, to set the slideshow, so you can set your slideshow.